everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 700 V3 Dark Glows. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. All right, as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Yeezy 700 V3 Dark Glows. So we're going to go through an overview on these, talk about the key differences between the Dark Glows and the Alvahs. Then we're going to talk about size and fit, followed by styling, and then we're going to talk about the resale and how amazing the Alvahs are doing and how this specific colorway may have potential to grow as well. All right, let's jump into it. Let's get into this overview. This literally could potentially be identical, if not the exact look in appearance as the Alvahs. I mean, I'm afraid, honestly, to swap these just because I feel like I'm going to confuse them and have to go in the dark to be able to tell which is which. But this has a beautiful, just simplistic black base, and it's contrasted by some nice gray details. So you've got the stripes and the dotted patterns on the side panels of the shoe. And then as we work our way up to the toe box, again, this fits kind of like a sock. It fits very snug to the ankle, but we do have just kind of this nice black tongue with simplistic, no lace tie system set up in black. And then we've got the reflective sheen going on the inside for the 3M here. And then we've got this plastic kind of caging system that wraps around those striped and dotted patterns. And that is actually the area of the shoe that glows in the dark. It looks black, kind of almost has a sheen to it in the light. But this actually turns blue when you have it in the dark, which is really cool. One of my favorite parts about the shoe itself. Looking on the inside, we have just a simple black insole, and we've got the Yeezy Adidas branding on the inside there. We have a rubber outsole, and this has an Eva cushioned midsole. So let's take a look at all of those details and see it up close and personal. All right, so moving on to the comparison between both of these shoes. So the main comparison, which I'm actually going to show you, is that the Alvah, again, glows in the dark green, and the dark glow actually glows in the dark blue. So I think during Yeezy Day, a few people were wondering if they just changed the name. This is not a change name situation, which I know that a lot of Kanye's specified names that he had in the past for specific shoes did change because of, you know, potential racist terminology, but that was not the situation. This is actually a completely different shoe that actually just glows in the dark differently, but pattern wise they are exactly the same. All right, so let's talk about size and fit on these. I go half a size up for the 700 V3s. I just feel like my foot does get kind of shoved up in that toe box and it is a bit congested up there, so I do like to go half a size up. I do have high arch, narrow feet, so depending on whether you're flat-footed and you have wider feet, that could also decipher a different size for you, but I would recommend going half a size up on these ones. All right, so now let's jump into styling. So for the first look, I decided to wear some nice black cargo pants. And those cargo pants are from Culture Kings, the Anti-Order, and they're just nice simplistic pants that I think go perfectly with these, especially that militaristic kind of detailing that the pants have. I think just vibes quite nicely with this. I wore a simple black tank, and over top that tank top I wore just a simple denim shirt to give it some color, but as you all know, I do love me some black and sometimes some dark gray.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
For the second look, I decided to dress it up a little bit, and that was a skirt with a floral print top. I think that you can make these, you know, a little dressier. So I wanted to give you a simple black skirt just to kind of show you the appeal of being able to dress up a nice sneaker like this. And then for the last and final look, I wore an essentials look, all essentialed out, actually just in black. So I wore an essentials crew neck, which I'm wearing now, with some matching shorts. I think obviously these are going to be great with sweats, but since it is so hot here in New York, I paired it with some sweat shorts.
Hospital bed, the pain not leaving. Cupid arrows to the chest, I can't stop bleeding. If you won't lead, I'm gonna lead just like everybody else. If you don't like my company, then I'll do life by myself. Girl, your love like a drug, it ain't good for my health. Even though it's killing me, girl, I love you to death. Take my love, don't waste it. Even though I don't mind waiting. Latest, my mind racing.
All right, you let me know out of the three what was your favorite look, or how would you decide to style these?
Build it by myself. Bourbon from top shelf. Yeah, I don't even know no one. Yeah, I ain't got no label or a manager. Gotta keep my percentages, gotta keep all my benefits. I don't take no orders, only take orders if it's orders. Never no breach, never no siege. I see I'm putting up borders. Bitch, if you're talking about funds, then I guess I'm a hoarder. Now, stakes been high, took a look at my steak. My steak been looking like Porterhouse. Brand new LLC, new EIN, had to open up more accounts. Guess I'm back in my bag, my bag been looking like more amounts. Default got me like, yeah. Round round by myself, be fine by myself. I don't need no one help, I don't need no one else. Build it by myself, bourbon from top shelf. Yeah, I don't need no one, I don't need no one. Round round by myself, be fine by myself. I don't need no one help, I don't need no one else. Build it by myself, bourbon from top shelf, yeah. I don't even know no one. Been an old way until it break and tear. They start getting challenged, then they say that I ain't playing fair. I show them receipts and I don't need them to make it there. Then they get aggressive, but I don't advise they take it there. Come around and every time I level up, I had to dud them quick. Who you came here with are just the ones who'll be beheaded with. Talking like a CEO, but boy, you ain't ahead of shit. All that chasing cloud done got you nowhere except ahead of shift.
Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $200 and currently they're going between $242 to $380 depending on your size. I would say that I could see these increasing on the resale market price point wise, just because the Alvahs are around $348 to $550. It just depends on, again, what shoe size you are, but the only key difference again is that these both just glow in the dark, different colors. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. These do mean the world to the channel, and feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks, as well as amazing merch with some great shade items in there. Also, be sure to tune in Tuesday night. I will be going live with Slade, and I will be prepping as well in that live for SneakerCon, which I will be attending in California this weekend. So do turn on those notifications, and I will see you Tuesday night live. All right, until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will see you on the next one.